I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Bricksforge as a trigger. Click on the Fetch button and then fill out the Bricksforge form to trigger the data fetch. The form has been submitted successfully. Now return to your integration site and check the response. Here you can see that Bricksforge has successfully fetched the data. Set action. Now here search and select Rapid Mail. Here, give the meaningful integration name as you want. To get username and password, open your Rapid Mail and click on Profile. Then click API. Click Add a new API user. Here give the description. Click on Save. Here is the username and password. Now copy the username and password and paste it here. Now click Authorize. Authorization successful. Click Next. Select Recipient List from the drop-down. Now map the field. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition must, then the data you will send to Rapid Mail. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now also check your Rapid Mail recipient. Here is the data that came into Rapid Mail through the integration. Thanks for watching.